And today I want to ask you if this is your first time to do a yoga practice or do you have any injuries? Okay, none. Okay. So first you have to relax the body, lengthen the spine, and sit in your comfortable position. Lower your eye gaze. Relax the relax the toes. Relax the hips. Open up your spine and open up your chest. Sige, ihigaan na kita. Ayan. Open up your chest and relax the body. And you can also do a Gyan Mudra, like an okay sign, but you can hold here. Yeah. Now let's take a few moments of silence here. And now I'm going to do a chant. You can also try to do it like a humming. Inhaling. One more time. And third one. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time. Inhale. Focus on your breathing. Let's stay here for 5 minutes. To the center. Open your eyes. And slowly moving your hands. Rotation. And now inhaling. Lift your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. We're gonna repeat it for 5 times, and inhaling, lift your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. Gusto mo harapan tayo, nakikita para makita mo. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. One more time. Inhaling, lift your arms up. And stretch. Arms down. Now, one more time. Inhaling, lift your arms up. And put your hands on your head. And slightly squeeze. Now going to the left or right side. To the left side. To the other side again. Okay, going back to the center. And now we're going to round the shoulders. It's important to practice a warm up before doing some extensive stretches. Now, inwards. Now, inhaling, lift your arms up. And twist to the left or to the right. Mirror mo na lang ako. Nahirapan din ako sa left and right mo. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Exhaling to the right. Left and right. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Exhale to the right. Left. Try to stretch the back. Okay. One more time. Inhaling, lift your arms up. To the left. Now going back to the center, we're going to do a cat and cow position. Palms on the floor. And now, inhaling, arch back. Exhaling, round your back. Tailbone up. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Arch back. Exhaling, tailbone up. And heads up. One more time. Inhaling, lift your chest up. Round your back. Exhaling, arch back. Table up. And heads up. Now we can start with child's pose. Slightly bending your knees. And try to stretch the body. Stay here for 5 breaths and 1. Yeah. Ano mo pa? And 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly going back to the center. We're going to step in the front of the mat. And now, relaxing the toes. The toes should be inward yung unahan yan. Parang yan. Relax the toes. Relax the hips. Relax the table. And, okay, very good. Relax the shoulder and the hands. Relax the eye gaze, the back of the neck, the top of the head. Relax. Now, inhaling, lift your arms up. Stretch the back. Exhaling, arms down. Slowly. You can bend the knees. Inhaling, halfway lift. Naka-arch yung back. Sige, bend pa yung knees para maabot mo yung back is, hindi siya dapat nakaganon. At least nakabend. Tapos yan. Spine straight. And now, exhaling to a plank. Left foot at the back. Right foot follows to a plank. Inhaling here. Exhaling, knees, chest, and chin down. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Open your chest and heads up. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now tuck your toes and lift the butt up and press in the floor. Now lift the butt. Yan. You can bend the knees and try to pull the body to the floor. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1. Sige, relax lang. 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Now, slowly lift the right foot between the palms, and left foot follows. Exhale here, inhaling to halfway lift, exhaling arms down, inhaling and stretch, exhaling arms down, inhaling halfway lift. Try not to stretch the back. Ayan. Halfway lift. Exhaling to a plank. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now exhaling. Knees, chest, and chin down. Surya Namaskar. Inhaling, lift the arms up. Open up your chest. This is upward dog. And now, exhaling, tuck your toes. Bend the knees and lift the butt up to downward facing dog. Slowly. Open mo pa yung toes. Parang maano. Yan. Okay, very good. Yes. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, lift the left foot up and place it between the palms. Right foot follows. Inhaling, lift the arms up. Stretch the back. Exhaling, arms down. Inhaling, halfway lift. Exhaling, right foot at the back. Yan. And now, now, yung paa, pag ganito, yung nasa dulo. Yan. Now, when you're ready, lift the body up. Yan. And now, when you're ready, try to square the hips first. I-ano mo yung paa mo. Tawag dito. Tignan mo ako. Yan. Pagpatayin mo pa siya. I-ano mo. Ayan. Para magandang tignan. And now, the right foot at the front, pushing forward. Yan. Now, square the hips. Itong paang to, iikot. Ganun. Yan. Square the hips and lift the arms up. It's important 2. Square the hips para hindi sumakit. Now stay here for 5 reps in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, ano na ba to? Warrior 2. Sige, relax. Sige. Sige, again. 1. Then the hips. Hands. And stay there for 5 reps in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, slowly lift the right foot. Tingnan mo ako. Right foot. And now, going to the side. You can hold on to your shin. You can look to your hand, to your palms. Stay here for 5 reps in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly release to a plank. Hands between the palms. Palms between your and then going back to a plank. Exhaling, knees, chest and chin down. Inhaling to upward facing dog. Yung toes mo, ayan, ganyan. Inhale out. Now tuck your toes. Lift the butt up. And now to a downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly walk to the top of the mat. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Exhaling, arms down. And now we're going to lift the left foot at the back. Ay, right pala to. Sorry, nawala ako. Inhaling to a plank. Exhaling to knees, chest and chin down. Inhaling to lift your arms up. Downward, up. Okay, now tuck your toes. Lift your butt up to a downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4. Open pa, you're doing great. 5, 6, yan. 7, 8, sige, 10, 9, and 10. Now, lift. Saan ba tayo kanina? Ito, no? Now, dito na tayo sa kabila. Lift the left foot or right foot at the front. And when you're ready, this foot behind you is yan. And now, when you're ready, lift the body up. Lift the body up. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2. Huwag masyadong yan, ganyan lang. May electric fan ka ba? Sige, stay there. Lalaksan ko na. Kailangan mo na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, slowly going to the side. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, going back to a plank. Inhale here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now exhale, knees, chest and chin down. Inhaling to lift your arms up, open up your chest to a upward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now tuck your toes, lift the butt up, and pushing the floor. Pushing the floor, yeah, very good. Slowly. Slowly. Now, i-ano ko pa yung, sige, push the floor. Push the floor. Very good. Stay there for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now lift the right foot between the palms. Yan. And now, the back foot forward. Yan. Now lift the arms up again. Stay there for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, arms to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, this foot are going up. Okay. Stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, go. Hindi ko na alam yung English eh. Try to hold here for 5 breaths and look at your palms. 5 breaths here in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly coming back, slowly coming back. We're gonna repeat the same thing to the left side. Now slowly, eto, from here, rotate, and then pushing forward. Now, and the foot will, etong, ayan, i-rotate ng konti. We're gonna square the hips. And now lift the arms up. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, slowly lift the body up and back to the center. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to rotate this feet. And now we're going to, this is Trikonasana or triangle. And look to your palms. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Back to the center. Okay, we're doing great. Now from here, we can start with, ano bang tawag dito? Foot at, yung foot is like inward. Inward, slightly inward. And now we can do a squat like this. Open up your chest. Open up your chest. Open lang your chest. Yan. And now lift the arms up. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly going back. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now we're going to the center. Magta-try naman tayo ng standing, ano ba to? Balancing poses. Harap ako sa'yo. Now, lift the left foot or the, ayan, mirror mo na lang ako. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, kita para hindi na ako mahirapan. Okay, relax muna. Now we're going to do a mountain pose. Lift the right foot up and we're going to push the foot to your left thigh and stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you can lift the arms up and interlace the fingers. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, you're doing great, 3, 4, and slowly release. Slowly release. Nice. Okay. Try to recover the feet first, and we're going to do the same thing to the left foot. Now lift the left foot up. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now pressing the foot to your thigh. And when you're ready, it's okay to fail. Okay. Arms to the waist and stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now another one. Lift the arms up. 5 breaths here and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Going back to the center. You can stretch the feet. Ano pa bang gagawin natin? Now, we're going to, wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung iba. We're going to try an eagle pose. If you can't do it, you can use the block. Kapag hindi kaya, you can use the block first. Stand tall. Lift the right foot up. And when you're ready, pressing to the side. Okay, again. Para hindi ka mahirapan. Butt out. Lift the right foot up. Pushing to the left foot. You can use the block. Ipatong mo dito. Yan. Yan. Stay there for 5 breaths. And 1, 2, and you can also, from here, you can also hug yourself and stay there for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly release, slowly release. We're gonna do the same thing to the left side. Over time, magagawa mo rin yung full na ano. Okay. Now, hands on the waist. Lift the left foot up and slowly wrapping to the right side. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1. You can also hug yourself. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly release. Okay, we're gonna do another sun salutation. Inhaling, lift your arms Lapit ka ng konti para makaano. Yan. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Stretch your back. Exhaling, arms down. Slowly bending your knees. Inhaling, halfway lift. Yan. Exhaling to plank. Inhaling here. Exhaling to knees. Chest and chin down. Inhaling, lift your arms up. Open up your chest to upward facing dog. Exhaling, tuck your toes. Lift the butt and pressing the floor. Downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly walking back to the center of the mat. And now we're going to seated poses. First, we're going to do a stop pose. Pointer, foot are pointed. And sit on the tailbone. Kailangan yung sitting bones. Okay. Sige, ano ka pa yung gawin mo to? 1, 2. Yan. And now we're going to lengthen the spine. Lengthen the spine. Hands to the side. And, sige pa. Tinama ko. Stay here for 5 breaths. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay kung kailangan i-bend kung kailangan mong i-bend the knees. Kailangan yung spine is straight spine. Stay here for 5 breaths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, we're going to slowly release. And now, lift the arms up. And try to, yan. Okay, hunch. Nag-hunch yung back mo. Lift the arms up. You can bend the knees. Yan. Kailangan yung back is not rounded. You can hold the shin like this. Yan. Stay there for 5 breaths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly release. And now we're going to, itong paang to, we're going to open. And now, place it to your thigh. Yan. And now we're going to lift the arms up. Lift the arms up. And kung saan lang yung kaya, yan. And stretch. Stretch. Sige pa. Arms up again. Arms up. Parang nakaano. Sige. Kailangan parang yan. And now, hands on the, yan. Masakit? Okay. Stay there for 5 breaths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. We're gonna repeat the same thing to the other side. Para tayong naka-L shape. Yan. Dito ko banda. Now, right foot to your thigh. Lift the arms up. And now slowly lift and touch your toes. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Now we're going to, sige, pwesto ka. Open the hips. Etong isa na dito, sa gitna, etong isa. Yan. Etong isa nakaganyan. And now we're going to put and square the hips. Bilang, parang sige. Paano ko ba ipapaliwanag? Wait lang. Like this. Tinan mo. Dapat pantay sila. Yan. And now, placing it to your thigh. And now, lift the arms up. Paano paano ko ba? Sige, sige. Yan. Yan. Sige pa, iurong mo pa to. Yan. And now, press pa lang. Okay na. Sige, baka masaktan ka. Lift the arms up. And inhaling first. And exhaling. Hold there. Stay there for 5 breaths. Kaya ba? 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, ang taas pala ng electric fan. Wait na. Stay there. Stay there for another 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Another foot. So, ito naman yung nandito. Yan. Okay, relax. Yan. And, ano muna? Sa foot to your thigh. And then, ayan. Ano mo pa tong isang to para mag-square the hips. Lift your arms up. Exhaling. Here, stay there for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release. Very good. And now we're going to do another stop pose here in 1. Spine, tallest spine. Wala na English ko. Okay. Spine is tall. Stay here and your hands are straight. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, inhaling, lift your arms up and try to reach your feet. Sige. Again. Inhaling, lift your arms up. And now slowly exhale there. Inhale. For 5 breaths, try mo pa iangat yung, wag masyado, ganyan. Tulak kita. Stay there for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Okay. Now, dito naman tayo humarap. Mainit. Okay. Now, lift the, right foot. Hug here. And now, this hand. Lift this hand. And placing it. And this hand will be outside. Yan. And then place it here. Again. Lift the arms up. Parang hindi. Wait lang. Yan, the sitting bones. And slowly wrapping it. Heads up. Stay there for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly release, going back to the center. To the other side. Lift the left foot, hands to the side. And now lift the arms and hug the knees. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going back to the center. And now we're going to do a tabletop. Hands. And now slowly lift the body up. And sige pa. Parang ano. Sige pa. Lift the body up. Sige pa. Stay here for parang ano. Ulit-ulit. Para hindi ka baka sumakit ng... Etong paa mo medyo malapit sa... Ano ba tawag dito? Yan. And then ito. And then inhaling, lift the body up. Yan. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly going back. And now we're going to do a reverse plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going back to the center. Sit in the sitting bones. Staff pose. Arms to the side. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now we're going to do a child's pose. A bit child's pose. Stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly going up. Slowly going up. We're gonna do a bow pose. Lift the body. Tuck the toes. Arms on the waist. Lift the body up. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly going back. Child's pose again. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And going back to the center. Okay. Now lift the right foot up and hug it. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Now slowly lift and touch your knees. I touch your toes. If you can just, yeah, you can just hold here, here, yeah. Next time you can release the hands here, but for now it's okay here. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release to the other side. Lift up, lift the toe up. Kung saan lang yung kaya. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Okay, we're gonna try a shoulder stand. Now, ito muna. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, hands on the waist or hands on the back. And now we're going to lift the body. You can interlace the finger. Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now hands to the tailbone. And if you can, try mo yung ganito, hawak. Ganito. Yan. Dalawang kamay, ganyan. And now we're going to, ako muna, huwag mo nang gagawin. Lift the body up. Ako muna. And now, tutulungan kita. Lift the body up. Now, slowly lift the body up. Another one. Sige. Yan. Stay here for 5 breaths. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release. Slowly release. Now remove your hands and relax. Okay. Now, ano muna tayo? Child's pose. Stay here for 5 breaths and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going back to table. Yung kanina. Stay here. Lift, lift, lift the chest up. Going back to child's pose. Okay, and now we're going to lay on our back again. Now lift the right foot to the side and hands. Spread your hands and to the side. Sige. Sige pa. Relax. Lift the right foot up and slowly going to the side. Stay here for 5 breaths. Masakit? Stay here for 5 breaths in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and going back to the center to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now going back to the center, hands to the side. This is called Shavasana. Relax the body, relax the toes, relax the hips. You can also close your eyes. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jawline. Relax the back of the head. Relax the head. Focus on your breathing. We can use a belly breathing here. Stay here for a few moments. Relax the jaws. Relax the jaw. Feel your body. And now slowly moving your fingers and your finger toes. Rounding your palms. Going back to the center. Take a full breath here. Now we can slowly going back to the center. Take a few moments of breathing here. I'm going to hum. You, Thank you for your time. Thank you.